Hi everyone, welcome to the topic Agile Project Management in Action presented by Group 7. Now, let's imagine yourself as a website developer. Your client has an idea of what they want, but doesn't have a concrete picture in their mind. Or they have a set of qualities they would like to see in the end result, but aren't as concerned with exactly what it looks like. What would you do then? You can just build the site based on your guess. What if you and your team spend hundreds of hours developing a feature just to end up knowing that the client doesn't really need it? Alright, this is when Agile Project Management comes into action. Today we are dividing into two of the most project management methodologies are Waterfall and Agile. Waterfall as a methodology was created in the 70s and refers to the sequential ordering of phases. You complete one at a time down the line like a waterfall starting at the top of the mountain and traveling to the bottom. The waterfall method has some risk management. Luckily, there are other methodologies that are entirely built for change and flexibility. One of these is Agile. The term Agile means being able to move quickly and easily. It also refers to flexibility, which means that being willing and able to change and adapt. Keep in mind that under the Agile umbrella, there are a number of methods such as Scrum, Lean, Kanban, Extreme Programming, Crystal Clear, etc. Up next, we are going to discuss the most commonly used method, Scrum. Agile project phases overlap and tasks are completed in iteration, which in Scrum are called sprints. In this case, sprints are short chunks of time, usually 1 to 4 weeks, where a team works together to focus on completing specific tasks. In the world of Scrum, we have 3 key roles: Product Owner, Development Team, and Scrum Master. First, the Product Owner acts on the behalf of customers, collect the feedbacks from customers and stakeholders. According to the feedback, they create prioritized list of key features which should be added to the product. This prioritized list is as known as the product backlog. The development team, which is typically comprised 5 to 9 people with cross-functional skill sets, then tries to add these features to the product in order to make the product better, and the process keeps repeating. The person who helps in facilitating these rituals is known as Scrum Master, also known as the project manager. They help the product owner with planning and try to keep the team energized. So now, let's talk about the Scrum meeting. There's the release planning. This is the final session where we establish project goals, outline the product backlog, identify major risks, and set the stage for the project's journey. Then we have the sprint planning. At the start of each sprint, the product owner and the development team select the high priority items from the product backlog, which the team will attempt the sprint. In daily meetings, we call them daily scrum, a quick stand-up where team members share updates on their progress, tasks, and obstacles, ensuring everyone stays in the loop. As we near the end of each sprint, we have the sprint review, where the team demonstrates and gets the feedback on the completed work.
Well, overall, Agile has 2 other kinds, Extreme Programming, XP, and Kanban. Meanwhile, Kanban is a tool used in both Agile and Lean approaches that provide visual feedback about the status of the work in progress to represent the team's staff in categories like to do, in progress, and done. After all, it emphasizes the importance of efficiency and then the effectiveness. When implementing Agile for large projects, coordinating various teams working on different features simultaneously can be a challenge. The challenge arises in integrating these features effectively. To address this, a hub structure is essential. Feature teams develop features which are tested by integration and build teams. To resolve conflicts, a central project management team consisting of project managers from feature teams and a project manager from integration and build teams helps facilitate and guide the process smoothly. Although Agile project management has gained popularity in recent years due to its flexible and collaborative approach to project delivery, there are also some limitations and concerns. First, the lack of experience with Agile methods is a challenge because adopting Agile requires significant change in mindset. Secondly, Agile project management does not satisfy top management need for control. Traditional management methods often rely on precise plans and fixed deadlines, providing a sense of control and predictability. In contrast, Agile embraces flexibility and adapts to changing requirements. While Agile's independent approach allows for responsiveness, it doesn't offer the same level of certainty. To address this, organizations set upper limits known as ceilings in budget and time to maintain self-control and stability, ensuring projects don't exceed certain boundaries despite Agile dynamic nature. Moreover, active customer engagement is crucial. Without it, smooth collaboration and timely decision can be delayed, slowing down the process. Hybrid models are mixtures of traditional and Agile approaches in projects. Traditional methods handle known features, while Agile adapts to patch uncertainties. Many firms utilize hybrids for large projects, so they can leverage each method's strengths. Overall, Agile isn't just about step-by-step progress, but also about being flexible and always improving, making it ideal for unpredictable projects. Back to you, how can Agile transform your real-world situation practices?